Asopao de Mariscos. A main dish from Dominican Republic. Serves 2. You will need 17 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil, reserve 2 spoons of oil. Step 2. Add the herbs, olives, spices, tomato paste, peppers, garlic and salt. Step 3. Add the shrimps and stir, be careful with hot oil splattering. Step 4. Cover and wait 2 minutes, then stir again. Step 5. Add the remaining water and bring to a boil. Step 6. Add all remaining ingredients, including the rice. Step 7. Stir regularly to avoid excessive sticking. Let 3/4 of the water evaporate, by then a grain of rice should be about 3 times its original size. Step 8. Adjust salt to taste. Serve while hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.